Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PS5 Slim HDMI port. First, let's begin by checking the most common culprits. Carefully inspect your HDMI cable for any signs of damage, like kinks or frayed wires. Make sure it's firmly plugged into both your PlayStation 5 Slim and your television. Sometimes, simply swapping out the cable for a new one can resolve the problem entirely. Also, try connecting your console to a different television or monitor to see if the issue persists there. Next, let's address potential software and power-related issues. A full power cycle can often clear temporary glitches. Simply unplug your console for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Ensure your PlayStation 5 Slim system software is completely up to date. Also, navigate through your television's input settings and experiment with other HDMI ports. Finally, try resetting your console's video output settings to their factory defaults, which can often resolve display problems. Now, let's move on to a physical inspection of the HDMI port itself. Using a bright flashlight, carefully look inside the port for any bent or broken pins, which are a common cause of display issues. Also, check for any accumulated dust, lint, or other debris that might be obstructing the connection. You can gently clean the port using a can of compressed air or a very soft, non-metallic brush. Remember, be extremely careful and never use metal objects. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and your PlayStation 5 Slim's HDMI port is still not functioning, it's likely a more significant hardware problem. A physically damaged HDMI port, especially with bent or broken pins, typically requires specialized soldering and expertise to repair. At this point, your best course of action is to contact PlayStation support or an authorized repair center. Attempting complex repairs yourself could potentially cause further damage or even void your console's warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.